Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurun Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Thank you very much for your traditional, sweet Russian welcome. Is it Tatar? All right. You know about these. Why, if I say Russian, the Tatars might not like it? Well, I'm an outsider. You can forgive me. I don't know all these details. No, but generally throughout the country that is known as Russia, even though it has various states within it, there is a very sweet welcome from the devotees. And actually in all the ex-USSR, we find this. So maybe there was something good about communism after all. Is it because of communism that you're giving such a nice welcome? Well, in one sense, maybe yes. In as much as, of course, we're talking about political and social factors here, but they also are to be considered. Srila Prabhupada said that Krishna created the hippie movement to facilitate my preaching. So, well, the hippies were, at least some of them, were ready to receive Srila Prabhupada's message because they were disgusted with the grossly materialistic American way of life. And one reason that Krishna consciousness has been received so well in the ex-communist bloc, one social and cultural reason we can say is because they didn't have the gross materialism that was in the Western world. People are not as spoiled as they are in the Western world. What do you think, Ramesh? There's a difference between Germany and Kazan, right? A lot of difference in the whole outlook towards life. A few years ago, I was traveling. I was in Russia. Traveling in Russia. Then I came overland to Latvia and Lithuania, going west. Then I came to Poland, and then Berlin. And, Berlin, you've been there to Berlin? It's one of the most degraded cities in the world. So you could see, like, from Russia... Actually, I was here in Tatarstan, and I came to St. Petersburg, which is already, more modern. And then you go to Lithuania, which is more westernized, a little bit. And then you go to Poland, which is, really getting in the mood of westernization, but they've got a long way to go still. And you go to Berlin, which is the pits. So you could see as I was going west, you could see the cultural degradation. So communism, they didn't have the gross materialism, but to a large extent, they suppressed religious practice. So when Prabhupada's movement came, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement came, that vacuum, that spiritual vacuum, many people found the answer in Maha Mantra. Yeah, I'm saying it in Russia, in the ex-communist world. So this is very much part of Russian and even more so part of Tatar culture, that people like to get together with their friends and sing with harmoniums and dance. Harmonium, what's it called? Accordion. So our only request is leave the vodka behind, and instead of singing silly love songs, sing about Krishna. And this warmth, this human spirit of feelingness, we can direct that towards Krishna. So there's a lot of work to do. You have to make the whole of Tatarstan Krishna conscious. It's possible. It's not impossible. You've all taken to Krishna consciousness. Previously you could not have imagined coming to this, isn't it? But by the grace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu you have come. So everyone can take to this. If it's presented nicely, then why will people refuse to take nice food, to sing and dance? Some fanatical people will protest. But many people can take to Krishna. Many people already are appreciating that there's something good here. Even though they don't know much about our movement, they appreciate that there's something good. So we have to preach more and more. What's the program today? Who's the boss? Yeah. Harinam? For Krishna Kishore, there's always Harinam. He's like his guru. He likes to chant the holy names and sings very sweetly, like his guru also. So, what is that? Harinam? That's scheduled, or is that just a new suggestion? The reporters are supposed to come now. You can turn the light off, it's not needed. Yeah. Unnecessarily giving money to the government. Okay, fine. A lot of devotees came from different places, huh? Already coming from Morshansk and Moscow and Izhevsk. Izhevsk is not very far. Alright. Where else are they coming from? Chibuksara. Alright, that's almost local. You're in Chibuksara now? Yeah. I came from Nabarishi Chonga. Alright, I think you all have to take prasadam. Is it? Yeah, that's also an important program. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.